In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bold text in Sprout Social. If you've looked for a bold or italic button inside Sprout Social's Composer and couldn't find it, you're not missing anything. There isn't a native rich text option for normal post text. That's by design. Most social networks strip traditional formatting, so the Compose tool sticks to plain text to match what platforms like Instagram, X, and Facebook support in their posts. That said, there is a simple workaround if you really want your words to appear bold or italic in a social post. Instead of relying on a formatting button, you'll generate characters that look bold or italic using a text formatter tool, then paste those characters into Sprout's Compose box. Tools like YayText and similar generators convert your phrase into special Unicode characters that visually appear styled, even though they're still just text. Here's how to apply it smoothly. First, write the sentence you want to emphasize. Head to a trusted text formatter website and paste that sentence into the tool. Choose the style you want, such as bold or italic, and copy the converted result. Now switch back to Sprout Social, open the Compose window, and paste those characters right where you want the emphasis. When you schedule or publish, the post will display with the bold or italic look on most devices and platforms. A few tips will help you get the best results. Use this sparingly for emphasis, like a headline or a key callout, rather than entire paragraphs. Overusing stylized characters can make your post hard to read. Keep accessibility in mind, too. Some screen readers may not interpret these characters as expected, and certain fonts or older devices may render them inconsistently. Before you roll it out widely, preview the post on each network and, if possible, check how it looks on both mobile and desktop. Also remember that styled Unicode characters still count toward character limits, just like regular text. Emojis, hashtags, and links work alongside them, but try to avoid styling hashtags or URLs, as that can affect recognition and clicks. If you're mixing plain text with stylized text, use a consistent pattern like bold for the opening phrase and plain text for the body, so your message remains clear. To recap, Sprout Social doesn't apply bold or italic formatting itself because most social platforms don't support it. To create the effect, use a Unicode text formatter, copy the styled characters, and paste them into Sprout's Composer. With a light touch and quick previews, you'll get clean, eye-catching emphasis without breaking platform rules.